Hi! In front of me is Xiaomi POCO M3 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can change theme of your keyboard on this device. Firstly, open Settings, scroll down and choose Additional Settings. Now Languages and Input, Manage Keyboards and Settings. Then you need to choose Theme and click on Show More to see all available options. When you're ready, you can click on one of those images like that one, click on the switcher next to keyboarders to enable or disable them and tap on Apply. You can do exactly the same with one of those colors. So now when I go back and try to access my keyboard, I can see the theme of it has changed. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!